Inkampani ekhiqiza iphinde isabalalise intambo zikagesi zezimoto iMetair Investments ekhombisa ukudlondlobala ngokuba ivula enye ingxenye iFord ephakelwa iHesto Harnesses lemikhiqizo. Lezi nkampani zinabasebenzi abangu-7,200 ongabesifazane abaningi. Umengameli Ramaphosa utuse Lenkampani wathi ukutshala kwayo imali lapha kukhombisa uzinzo kwezomnotho kuleli.
So this is a major boost to our economy and a show of confidence in South Africa, and we really appreciate that. And now it's created quite a lot of jobs for young people especially, and for women. So our investment drive is showing real fruits.
Lenkampani inxuse ezinye ukuba kubanjiswane ukuze kufukulwe imphakathi.
Corporate South Africa can complain and criticize, but I think we see a demonstration of corporate South Africa with this partnership standing up to invest in the future of our lovely country.
Isikhulu esiphezulu kule nkampani umnumzana William Hildish uthi abasebenzi banikwa imfundazwe kanjalo futhi baqeqeshwe nangamakhono.
This is the first place that I'm currently employed in. It was a very significant opportunity in my life. It enhanced my way that I live. It improved the way that I provide for my family.
Training yasiza kakhulu ngoba uthola ukunderstanda uhlobo lomsebenzi ongaphansi kwalo. Umsebenzi mulana uma ungaphandla ukwazi ukunderstand ukuthi umsebenzi ngizongena ngaphansi kwani until uzofike ngaphakathi. Lenkampani iphinde ihwebelane ngale mikhiqizo namazwe angu-46. Ey'ndabeni ze-SABC nginguvusi Khumalo kwaDukuza.